Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to replace the tail light assembly or just a tail light, brake light, turn signal light bulb on a Nissan Xterra. This one is a 2005 model. But it's the same from 2005 all the way until 2015 recent. So what you need to do first, you need to open the trunk lid right there, and there is two nuts with a 10mm socket that we will need to remove right there. So we need to take the top one off first, and then we need to do the bottom one after that. Okay, now the second bolt right there. Okay, now you need to grab the tail light with both of your hands and grab it really firm and pull. It's stuck really good there. Okay, like that. You see those two glides right here? They go in these holes and they get stuck really good. So you need to pull really hard on it. The only thing holding it is those two bolts. The top bulb is the turn signal light bulb. If you need to replace it, turn to the left about 30 degrees and then you just pull the bulb out, and here is the number if you need it. And then you just push it back in, go in the slots and turn to the right this time. The middle one is reverse, same way. You turn to the left and you pull it like that. And the bottom one is for the brake light, right there. It's the same as the top one. You just pull it again like that. And if you need to replace the whole brake light assembly, all you need to do is just unhook all three light bulbs and the whole brake light comes out of there and you can replace it. You just put it back together the same way we took it apart, but you need to make sure that you press until you hear the click in the guides right there and install the two bolts. Thank you guys for watching us. If you have any questions, let us know. Please don't forget to subscribe and give us a like. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.